I'm going to unbox it now. Well, as you can see, I've already started unboxing it, so let's see what we have. The first thing on top of the pile inside the box was a sheet of paper printed on one side with instructions, approximately 1/3 of which is warnings. The rest is like diagrams. So this lamp comes with 2 cords. The one that has the pink and purple wire you can use if you're going to dim the light. If not, you can just skip that part if I'm not going to bother to dim it. The next thing is a piece of packing material which has 2 items. It has a hook to screw into your ceiling. It has another hook. Well, it's actually a carabiner with the wire to hold it up while you're doing the electrical installation. Last but not least, we have the lamp itself. It's about 1 foot in diameter and it weighs about 5 pounds. Very solid. Feels like it's made out of metal, and it's intended for a shop. I'm going to be installing it in my bedroom, but it's intended for a shop and it feels heavy duty, like it's made for a shop, and when I turn it on we'll just see how powerful it is. So this lamp is itself a giant, very bright 240 watt light bulb. It has a oval shaped black switch on one side of it between the bulb portion and the giant white hook that holds it, is used to dangle it from the wire. It has 3 settings.